Okay, proceed tayo sa lesson 5. Continuing professionalization. Why is continuing professionalization essential for career progression in the teaching profession? Continuing professionalization is essential in teaching because it ensures educators remain updated with evolving pedagogy, curriculum changes, and learners' diverse needs, ongoing development, strengthen skills, enhance instructional quality, and foster innovation in the classroom. It also builds professional credibility, opening opportunities for promotion and leadership roles. By committing to lifelong learning, teachers not only advance their careers but also uphold high standards, ultimately improving student outcomes and the education system as a whole.
Okay. How do CPD activities like research, training, and graduate studies support both teacher quality and career mobility? CPD is not only to use it for have credential to renew the license. CPD is created to help every teacher to be up to date for what is latest in this generation. Using the different seminars offered by CPD, the teachers will improve their teaching strategies and they can adapt to new technological tools that effectively used to be more reflected and engagement the lesson to the learner and to have a better teaching style. Also, they improve career development and it will help us or it will help them to be promoted. Challenges that teachers face in pursuing professional growth, and how can schools or DepEd help address this? There's a lot of challenges in teachers when it comes to professional growth, like limited access to resources. Not all schools offers quality training programs for our teachers. But the schools address this by offering financial support or incentives to every teacher so that they can afford some seminars and it can help us for their professional growth.
Okay, let's continue. Lesson 6. Philosophy in teaching.
And ako magsasabi the different educational philosophies reflected in the lessons.